From ice volcanoes to lava planets, let's face it, space is incredibly weird. It seems like every few months, scientists are dropping new bombshells about what intergalactic surprises the universe has to offer, and some of them can sound pretty damn scary to us Earthlings. Welcome back to Countdown Corp, where today we're taking you on an intergalactic adventure through some of the most mind-blowing discoveries ever made in space. Get ready for alien messages, disappearing stars, and everything in between. Houston, we have liftoff. Number 7. Earth's cousin. NASA has discovered an incredible 5,000 planets beyond our solar system. 1/3 of those planets are super-Earths, which are basically just planets that are 30 to 70% bigger than Earth. The superstar of these super-Earths is Kepler 452b. Scientists have nicknamed it Earth's cousin, or Earth 2.0, because it's one of the most Earth-like planets ever found. Kepler 452b is 5 times Earth's mass and 1.5 times its size, but it orbits its star in 385 Earth days, so just a tad longer than our year. It's in the Goldilocks zone, which means it's not too hot and not too cold, but potentially perfect for hosting life. Sadly, we won't be popping over anytime soon. Located a staggering 1,800 light-years away in the Cygnus constellation, it would take us a whopping 30 million years to visit. On the plus side, it's given scientists hope that habitable planets may be closer than we think. Number 6. The planet from hell. In 2004, scientists discovered a planet so horrifying it's often nicknamed the Hell Planet. 55 Cancri, officially known as Janssen, is 8 times the size of the Earth and is totally covered in a molten lava ocean, sizzling at a blistering 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1,982 degrees Celsius. This celestial fireball dances perilously close to its blazing host star Copernicus, and it completes its annual orbit in just 17.5 Earth hours. Some have even compared it to the Star Wars lava world of Mustafar, the site of the fateful battle between Anakin Skywalker and Obi-Wan Kenobi in Revenge of the Sith. There have been theories that beneath its fiery surface lies a solid diamond core, but considering the conditions, we doubt anyone's ever getting close enough to fact-check. Number 5. Space tsunamis. For years, scientists have wondered how black holes distort environments even dozens of light years away. In 2021, they found their explanation: space tsunamis. The theory is that X-ray radiation close to a black hole seeps into pockets of hot gas, and these bubbles of hot plasma then expand into cooler gas. These can span up to 10 light years and, once created, are no longer controlled by a black hole's gravity. The result is an unstoppable wave of gases and radiation sweeping across the cosmic landscape, just like a regular Earth tsunami, just even more destructive. Number 4. Dark stars. Everyone knows what stars look like, but did you know that the skies were once full of something much more mysterious? Back when the universe wasn't quite the universe yet, it was packed with dark stars. Despite what the name suggests, these stars weren't actually dark. In fact, they were likely even brighter than those we see in the sky today. They get their name because, unlike the stars we see today, which shine through nuclear fusion, these stars were powered by the annihilation of dark matter. Unfortunately, the densities of dark matter are far too low to find any of these celestial oddballs in the universe today, but that hasn't stopped scientists from searching. Number 3. Titan's Grand Canyon. Saturn's largest moon is home to its very own intergalactic Grand Canyon. In 2016, NASA's Cassini spacecraft discovered that the dark channels in Titan's Legia Mars Sea were actually massive canyons flooded with liquid hydrocarbons. Scientists had long suspected that there was a hidden layer of liquid beneath Titan's negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit icy shell. While this discovery doesn't mean there are extraterrestrial beings enjoying a liquid playground on the moon, it is a good sign that it could one day host extraterrestrial life. That is, in a few billion years once it warms up a little. Number 2. Tabby's star. Stars were made to shine, but something is keeping Tabby's star out of the limelight. This star is located in the constellation Cygnus, but its brightness randomly fades by approximately 20% from time to time, and nobody knows why. Astrophysicists have ruled out a planet blocking its light, as even a giant like Jupiter would only dim the star by a paltry 1%. At one point, people were convinced it was caused by an alien megastructure, but scientists swiftly ruled out that theory in 2017. Today, the leading suspect for this celestial enigma is a mischievous cloud of disintegrating comets swirling around Tabby's star in elliptical orbits. While this is still just a theory, one thing we do know is that Tabby's star is part of a binary stellar system, meaning there's another star out there just like it. Number 1. The WOW signal. In 1977, an astronomer named Jerry Amon was scanning signals from the Sagittarius constellation when he noticed a 72-second burst of radio waves that seemingly came from nowhere. The discovery caused Amon to exclaim, "Wow!" hence the legendary name. The signal had the right frequency and intensity to resemble what some enthusiasts would describe as an extraterrestrial message. Alas, nobody's been able to detect it since, and while there are plenty of explanations of what may have caused the signal, none of them have ever been proved. To this day, the WOW signal remains history's strongest candidate for an extraterrestrial radio transmission. And that's a wrap on our mission through some of the weirdest and wonderful things space has to offer. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next countdown. See you next time.